Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with full service history with Howard's and is only £20 a year to tax. It features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's also 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 31,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.